Hello students, today's topic is common size income statement or common size statement of profit and loss. Students, this common size income statement is a part of vertical analysis of financial statements. In this common size statement, we compare every item as percentage of revenue from operations for the year. It means we take revenue from operations as a common base for comparison, and this revenue from operation is taken as 100%, and we have to calculate the percentage of every item as comparison with revenue from operations. So students, we can say that a common size statement of profit and loss is a statement in which every item or figure is expressed and compared with revenue from operations in percentage. Revenue from operations for the year is taken as 100% as common base for comparison, and all the other figures are expressed as percentage of revenue from operations for the year. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इस कॉमन साइज इनकम स्टेटमेंट में हमें हर आइटम और फिगर की तुलना करनी है उस साल के रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन से। हमें ये बताना है कि हर चीज, हर आइटम कितना परसेंट है उस साल के टर्नओवर, सेल्स या रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस के। स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर मेकिंग दिस कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर, आई एम टेकिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. In this question number 6, we have to prepare a common size statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2018. Students, in this common size income statement we have 4 columns: particulars, note number, absolute amount, and percentage of revenue from operations. And further we have to divide absolute amount column into 2 columns or 2 sub columns for the year 2017 and 2018. In the same way, we have to divide percentage of revenue from operations column into 2 sub columns for 2017 or previous year or current year. So students, in question number 6, we have revenue from operations for the year 2017 15 lakh, and for the year 2018 rupees 18 lakh. And now we have to add other income at step 2nd, which is rupees 45,000 for the year 2017 and 72,000 for the year 2018. At the step 3rd, we have to add these 2 items to find total revenue for the year. So by adding step 1st and 2nd, we get 15,45,000 as total revenue for the year 2017, and we get 18,72,000 for the year 2018. Now we come towards step 4. At step 4, we have to deduct expenses. In this question, we have 3 expenses: cost of material consumed, employee benefit expenses, and other expenses. For the year 2017, we have cost of material consumed rupees 6,60,000. Employee benefit expenses are 1,80,000. Other expenses are 1,05,000. For the year 2018, we have cost of material consumed rupees 8,64,000. And employee benefit expenses are 1,80,000, same as the year 2017. Other expenses have become rupees 54,000 in case of 2018. Now we have to add all these 3 expenses for these 2 consecutive years. So we get total expenses for the year 2017 9,45,000, and for the year 2018 we get 10,98,000. It is simple that we have to find out the profit before tax by deducting total expenses from टोटल रेवेन्यू। ये हमको पता है कि टोटल रेवेन्यू में से टोटल एक्सपेंसेस माइनस करेंगे तो प्रॉफिट आएगा, जो कि बिफोर टैक्स होगा। सो वी गेट ₹6 lakh as profit before tax for the year 2017 by deducting total expenses 9,45,000 from total revenue 15,45,000. In the same way, we can find out profit before tax ₹7,74,000 by deducting total expenses 10,98,000 from total revenue for the year 2018 18,72,000. And now we have to find the percentage of every item as compared to revenue from operations. So students, when we compare other incomes with revenue from operations for the year, we get 3% for the year 2017 and 4% for the year 2018. And we already know that we have to divide every item by the revenue from operations, and we have to multiply every item with 100 to get the percentage of every item as compared to revenue from operations. So the total revenue becomes 103% for the year 2017 and 104% for the year 2018. And now we will talk about expenses. Cost of material consumed becomes 44% for the year 2017 as compared to revenue from operations, that is the amount of 15 lakh. In the same way, we have 48% of cost of material consumed as compared to revenue from operations for the year 2018. Now we find out the percentage of employee benefit expenses as compared to revenue from operations for the year 2017, and this percentage becomes 12% and 10% for the year 2018. And now we get 7% for other expenses as compared to the total revenue from the operations for the year. And we get 3% other expenses as compared to revenue from operations for the year 2018. It means other expenses are 3% of revenue from operations of ₹18 lakh for the year 2018. Now we have to add all these percentage of total expenses, that becomes 63% in the year 2017 and 61% in case of the year 2018. And now we can simply find the percentage of profit before tax by deducting the percentage of total expenses from total revenue from operations or total revenue for the year. So we get 40% by deducting 63% from 103%. In the same way, for the year 2018 we get 43% by deducting 61% from 104%. That is the total revenue for the year 2018. Students, in this question there is no tax paid. If there was some tax paid, we had to deduct it from the profit before tax. तो इस क्वेश्चन में टैक्स पेड नहीं है, इसलिए ये कॉलम ब्लैंक छोड़ दिया गया है। अगर होता टैक्स तो टैक्स भी माइनस करते हैं और टैक्स की परसेंटेज भी काउंट करते हैं। टैक्स माइनस करने के बाद प्रॉफिट आता है। जाहिर सी बात है, सिंपल सी बात है कि टैक्स माइनस करने के बाद कौन सा प्रॉफिट आएगा? प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स आएगा। लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में टैक्स है नहीं, इसलिए ये कॉलम ब्लैंक छोड़ दिया गया है। सारे कॉलम ब्लैंक हैं ये। और 7th स्टेप हमारी कौन सी आती है? प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स। तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये सिंपल सा फॉर्मेट है जो कि वर्टिकली फॉर्मेट बनाया जा रहा है फॉर कंपैरिजन ऑफ डिफरेंट आइटम्स विद रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस। तो ये फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस का पार्ट है और बेसिकली एक्सटेंशन है इनकम स्टेटमेंट और स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का। इसमें दो कॉलम एक्सटेंड किए गए हैं, एब्सोल्यूट परसेंटेज ऑफ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस प्रीवियस ईयर एंड करंट ईयर। बाकी सब कुछ सेम चल रहा है जैसा कि हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं इनकम स्टेटमेंट में और स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में। स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स, हैव अ नाइस डे।